Kashering sinks. Okay. A sink made of metal or stainless steel may be koshered for the Pesach. Okay. One must clean it well. So some people, they buy this insert in a sink. And in some sink, you like maybe you do need the insert in. I mean, we're going to see like what kind of sink. So it's basically plastic, and they're a specific size, like a standard size. Like in all of the stores where I live, they sell before they pay. So they charge for this thing. You can buy the brand new stainless sink for the money that they charge for this plastic insert. It's unbelievable, right? Because people, they don't know the laws. It's very simple. We're going to see how to kosher. It's very simple. A sink made of metal, right? At least most of them, or stainless steel may be kosher for Pesach. One must clean it well, right? Of course, clean it well. Wait 24 hours. Wait for 24 hours. So all of these koshering tactics that they approach, they have to be like thought out before. Like we stop using sink. For example, my wife told me, so after we have to wash dishes. So we don't have the dishwasher, so we wash manually, the old way. So many guests come and say, "Well, where's the dishwasher?" I say, "I'm dishwasher, or we're in dishwasher." So we wash the. So she told me that we have to wash all of the dishes after Shabbos on muktzeh Shabbos, so it could stay for 24 hours. 24 hours meaning Sunday night, and only Sunday night, so she can start kashering the things. Okay. Or Monday, whatever, because the time is running out, because you have to start preparing, cook for Pesach. You have to start cooking, and this year you have to cook for 3 days, right? It's Thursday, Friday, and Shabbos, 3 days. So it's a lot of cooking. So you cannot start cooking, do anything if your sink is not ready. So you cannot do it on Wednesday morning discussion. It's not going to work out for you very well. You understand? So you have to prepare before. Okay. So one more time. One must clean it well. Wait for 24 hours. Make sure the sink is completely dry. Okay. So we usually cover, like put towels on the faucet, so everybody in the house nobody's going to touch it. We wash our dishes. We usually after kashering we use disposable dishes, so like don't drive our house crazy. So try to use as a sink, but not in the kitchen. Okay. So it must dry completely. Okay, it will. And pour boiling water from the top. From the pot on each spot. When pouring the water into the sink, one should start from the bottom, working its way upward in a spiral motion. Otherwise, the water will roll down and cool off the incoming water. Okay. So one more time. So you have your teapot or something, right? Kettle. And you start from the bottom, and you up, right? So going up all the time. And sometimes you need depends how many sinks you need. So you can even do partially. But if you have the bigger kettle, they go in liters, I think, like 2 liters, 2.5 liters. It should be more than enough. Like it's 4 or 5 cups, right? So it depends. Like it should be enough to kosher the whole sink. Okay. One more time. One should start from the bottom, working its way upward in a spiral motion, right, like this. Otherwise, the water will roll down and cool the incoming water. Okay. Right, so incoming water. So if you start from the top, it's going. The water is going to cool down. Okay. To clean and kosher the faucets, while the water is running at the hottest temperature. Pour boiling water on them. That's it. So that's your kosher, your faucet is clean. An instant hot water dispenser should be kosher in the same manner. That's it. You just pour over. And of course, sometimes some water, hot water, is going to go on the counter. So just be ready. So don't. I mean, that does not say here, but that's what we do. So you have towels ready, paper towels, like you just collect the water, and that's it. That's you do it once. You learn from your mistakes, and that's it, right? But have the towels ready, basically. Continue. Many have a custom to use sink insert during the entire Pesach. Okay, so as I said, they're very bulky, and since they're not exactly your size, of course it could be your size, but they're approximate sizes, so your sink is going to be much smaller than the original because of the insert. Okay.